Hey everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you cotton candy drink. You can use soda or whatever the juice you like. In this video, I'm going to use Calpis. If you don't know Calpis, it is called Calpico overseas. I heard that they changed the name overseas because Calpis sounds like Calpis in English, which doesn't give a good impression. Anyway, kids love Calpis, so they said they wanted to make cotton candy drink using Calpis, so we decided to make this video. It is fun to make. I hope you like this idea and I hope you can try it out. This recipe is pretty easy. What you need is your favorite beverage and cotton candy. My kids love Calpis, so we decided to use it. You can use your favorite beverage, soda, juice, whatever you like. Cotton candy melts away really quickly in the drink.
Understand. まずわたあめ食べてみます。青い。青くなったでしょ、カラピス。すごいね。黄色入れてみます。ジェリーみたい、ここ。ここジェロエみたい。味はどうなんだ？これ結構甘いな。混ぜてみます。すごく美味しいです。チャンネル登録お願いします。グッドボタン押してね。バイバイ。
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.